Hey guys, as you guys can see right now, I'm on the truck. I'm going to pick up a car that I made a deal on last night. So it's currently 8:23 right now. I'll be there probably in an hour, so let's hit the road together.
Turn right onto State Road 46 East.
Hey guys, I got the car with me. I already picked the car up on the way to go back home and show them the car in the back. So as you guys can see, the car is in the back. I have it with me. When I got home, I will tell you guys what car it is, show it to you guys. But for now, let's enjoy the road. So this is the car after loading it up on the trailer, and as you guys can see, it's looking good. It's a 2009 Mini Cooper S Club Band. So it's time to hit the road. Let's get back on the road and enjoy the view. We just made it home, and as you guys can see behind, so this is the car here. This is it behind me. So far, the interior look good to me. The interior of the car really look good. It's just need to wash like a clean, because it's been sitting since 2021 or 2022, I believe. So this is the interior. This is the back. The back look good. Yeah. And let's pop the trunk open. So this is the space on the trunk here. And as you guys can see, the tag been expired since 2016. So but yeah, we got new headlights here. Okay guys, this is what I know about the Mini Cooper. So I was on Marketplace and I found the car. The owner is tired of it, the way he was talking to me. He's tired of it. He cannot get the timing chain done. So he said that the car have a rebuilt engine on it, but the person that was rebuilt the engine do not know how to set the timing, and they went to the dealer. The dealer is charging them too much money to set the timing, and the car been sitting at his house since 2022. That he said he's tired of the car. He don't want to deal with the car anymore, and he won't believe how much money I bought it for. And the car have 56,000 miles. Have 56,000 miles on the dash. So I bought it for pretty cheap. This is what I know about the car, which is it needed timing chain. So the car have a new turbo. He got the engine has been rebuilt. He said the timing chain is inside the car. I have it, which is I haven't checked. The car have 4 new tires, which is a true. I've seen that. The exterior of the car is in a great condition. The interior of the car is in a great condition. So this is a car I bought to flip. So I will make another video of me making all the repairs that the car need, and then take pictures of the car and post it for sale. And I will tell you guys, here's how much money I bought the car for. Here's how much money I spent on repairing the car, and also here is how much money I made by selling the car. So stay tuned. If you guys like the type of content I'm doing, please give me a thumbs up. You guys can comment, and I promise you guys I will reply each one of you guys that comment on the video. And that's all I got for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.